Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Xiaomi Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here search for an app. Start writing NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Now select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, move to the next step and you will need to grant free permissions to the app. The first one is phone permission and click grant. It will instantly show you a notification and then you can allow it. Next one is overlay permission. Click grant as well. It will move you to a different menu and from here you need to find NotifyBuddy, click on it and allow display over the other apps. Now let's move back and go for notification permission. Click grant, the same thing, find NotifyBuddy and allow notification access. From here, click on this circle button right here and wait for 10 seconds. Click OK, go back and our app is ready. There's one last thing, which is battery optimization, but you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and from here click OK again. Here's our app. You can see 4 tabs below here. You can go for the user in order to pick any apps to get notifications for. So for example, I'm gonna go with Netflix. Next one is system and here you can also select any system apps for that same purpose. Now if you go to the active, you'll be able to see the apps that you've just activated and in the settings you'll be able to customize this LED lamp. So you can change time between blinking, you can change the color, shape, place on the screen, whatever you want. Now click on the test button in order to see how the LED lamp will look like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.